Okay, this time recording is already on progress. Allow TIS and Teacher Germain to record our session this evening. So a very pleasant evening, everybody, and welcome to our Wednesday class. Time check, it's already 6:02 in the evening. So on my screen, I have 22 of you. Shall we wait for one more minute for your other to join our class? In your previous class, do you have the NTT kids with you? Were they around? Were the NTT kids around a while ago? Nobody would like to answer that question?
Hello, teacher.
Okay, so our NTT kids are here. Okay, that's good. Thank you for opening your microphone. Okay, 24 of you, that's good already. Okay, please prepare your notes from our previous discussion. So, what have we discussed last Monday? Anybody? What have we discussed last Monday?
Possessive pronoun.
Okay. We have we have a very good discussion about possessive pronouns. Okay, good. On my screen, 26 of you. Okay, I hope other kids will continue joining us. For a while. Okay. Is everybody settled down already? Okay. Okay, grab your notes and who would like to share what are possessive pronouns? What are possessive pronouns? Yes, and the
Possessive pronoun show ownership and never need apostrophe.
Very good.
Possessive pronouns, it's like mine, yours, his, hers, it's, ours, theirs.
Okay, so I hope that is clear for everyone. Possessive pronouns shows ownership. Okay. When you say ownership, meaning you are the one who owns a certain thing. Okay, and that was right. And that is right. You have mine. You also have ours, hers, his, ours, theirs. Okay, so I'll be sharing my screen now. I have many screens for a while. So let's have first a Google definition. Okay, we have first a Google definition of possessive pronouns. So possessive pronouns show ownership or possession of something. So they replace possessive nouns or noun phrases to avoid repetition and make sentences flow more smoothly. So the main possessive pronouns in English are mine, ours, yours, his, hers, its, and theirs. So we have here a breakdown. So pronouns. So I know you learned about personal pronouns. It can be singular and it can also be plural in form. So we have here singular possessive pronouns. So I hope you can see my screen. Okay, who can tell me based on my screen what are the different singular possessive pronouns? What are the different singular possessive pronouns? We have Tristan.
Yes.
Yes. Can you see my screen, Tristan?
Yes.
What are the singular possessive pronouns?
Mine, yours, his, hers, and its.
How about plural possessive pronouns, Tristan?
Ours, yours, and theirs.
Very good. Could you please continue reading the different examples?
Okay. Example. The book is mine. Replace this is my book. The car is hers. Replace the car is her car. Those toys are ours. Those replace those toys are our toys. The decision is decisions is theirs. Replace the decisions is their decisions.
Without S, Tristan, decision.
Decision
This one with S, replaces.
replaces.
Okay, good. Thank you, Tristan.
You're welcome.
I have to share another screen. So that is just a very clear, what do you call that one? A very clear definition of possessive pronouns and its examples. Okay, I know we have started this activity last time, right? So I have also showed this activity last Monday. Shall we do it? Shall we do this again? But we will be starting with, okay, we shall start with number, how about number 9? Because we have finished number 8 already. Okay, let's have number 9. I think my screen is a bit blurry, but I hope it's okay. So let's move to number 9. It's okay, Queenie. Okay, Jocelyn, are you ready for number 9?
Oh, yeah, sure. But sorry if like the sound is kind of like bad.
Okay, Joy.
if my sound is bad. Yeah. Okay. That's dot dot dot. We bought it last night at the department store. So I think it's that's ours. We bought it last night at the department store.
Okay, what helped you answer the pronoun ours? What helped you?
Because it says we, so I suppose we means like we. So that's why I said ours, because ours also kind of almost the same as we.
Okay, because when you say we, that's it's a subject pronoun. The possessive pronoun for we is ours. Okay, that's a correct explanation, Joy. Good. So that's ours. What help you is that you have there the pronoun we. Thank you, Jocelyn. Very good.
No problem, miss.
Number 10. How about Jonathan for number 10?
Yeah, teacher. The bicycle were they were
Come
the
again with letter S. How do you read the word the
oh yeah.
bicycles?
The bicycles were theirs, so they rode them home after school.
Okay. Can I ask you, Jonathan, what helped you answer the pronoun theirs? Because you're right. The answer is theirs. But why should we answer theirs?
Because the next sentence use they as the subject, so we use possessive pronoun theirs to answer
Very
it.
good. Okay, to make the sentence correct. So that's a good explanation, Jonathan. I'm happy for that. Very good. Okay, next, number 11. Okay, let's move to number 11. Can I have another kid? And this time, maybe, okay, maybe Arga would like to answer number 11. Hi, Arga.
Yes, miss. Are
Number
you
11.
are you sure this book belongs to your mother? Yes, it's blank. Maybe.
Come again. What should be the correct answer for that? Are you sure this book belongs to your mother? Yes, it's. What was your answer, Arga? You
Hers.
said
Hers.
Arga. It is ours. Mm-hmm. Okay, I'll put it here. Should we answer ours for that sentence? Thank you for trying, Arga. So yes, it's ours. In
No,
the first
miss.
sentence.
Hers.
Ah, okay. You answer hers. Is that your answer, Arga?
Yes.
Okay, now. So your answer is correct if you say hers. Can you explain why?
Because mother is she.
Okay, mother is she, and that's only one. It's a girl. So we use the possessive form, which is hers. Very good. That's good. Thank you, Arga.
Welcome, miss.
Very okay. I'm sorry for that a while ago. Okay, number 12. Okay, down to the last four items. Number 12. Read closely. Okay, number 12. Please would like to raise your hand. Would like to answer. Noelito, are you ready, Noel?
Yes, teacher.
How about number 12?
This is blank. You ordered the pizza. I ordered the spaghetti.
Yes. Come again. What's your answer? This is
The answer is mine.
the answer is mine for this. Okay, let's try to put it here. This is mine.
Yes.
This is mine. You ordered the pizza. Look at the second phrase. You have here the pronoun you. What do you think is the correct answer?
Yours.
Come. Okay. Again, Noel.
Yours.
Okay, read now the sentence.
This is yours. Ordered the pizza. I ordered the spaghetti.
Okay, good. So this is yours because it is followed by the pronoun you. Yours meaning you ordering the pizza, while me ordering the spaghetti. Thank you, Noelito. Okay,
You're
number
welcome, teacher.
13. Yes, 13. Daraka.
Yes, miss. 13. A. Is this Robert's? No, it's not his.
Yes. Can you please explain? Can you please explain why should we use his to make that sentence right?
Robert is a boy name, and a subject pronoun for a boy is his, and the subject pronoun his and possessive pronoun is his. So from he to his.
Okay, that's very good. That's a correct explanation because Robert is only one and he's a boy owning something, so we should use the possessive form his. Thank you, Daraka.
You're welcome, miss.
Okay, number 14 now. Read
Teacher,
number
can I go to
14.
the toilet?
Yes, Jonathan, you can.
Thank
Okay,
you.
number 14. Yes, number 14. Other kids now? Mark, are you around? Mark?
Yes. Okay, number 14.
Mark, how are you?
I'm good.
Mark, open your cam.
Dr. Harry, hello, sir.
Hello,
Uh,
teacher.
Good day, sir.
Yeah,
Hello, sir.
I just want. Okay, go ahead, Mark. This is where Sahari is working. This is the campus. Can you see
Ah,
it?
yes, sir.
Whoa, there's the campus.
Can I go to the toilet?
Yes, yes, go to the toilet.
Wow.
Teacher Jermaine, can you see it?
Yes, sir. It has a very wide surrounding, sir. It's a school, sir.
Yeah, it is the community college. Yes,
A
where
community.
I am working here. So this is like a 6 o'clock, 6:25 or 6:30. Okay, so everybody has a chance to come over here. Okay, it's real. The only thing that you need is to follow the direction from teacher Jermaine and all other teachers. Okay? So look, this is 6 o'clock. If you see that, nobody on the parking lot except Sir Harry. Okay? You see that? So what
Yes,
does it
sir.
mean? All right. It means that you have to work harder. Okay? Harder than anyone else. If somebody start coming at 7, you start early, like an hour early. Okay, like 6 a.m. Okay, so that way you can get more things done. Okay, so that is the attitude, Teacher Jermaine. Everybody asks
Mm.
from my classmate, I'm the only one that can come to the US. Why? Because this kind of thing. Okay, so I know that somebody at 619 just came from NTT, just joined the class, but they have special difficulties over there, right? So we let it happen, but try not to find any excuses. Okay, you can do it. All right. The only thing that you need to do, be persistent, and Teacher German is here to help you. And guys, you know what? The thing, the material, the grammar that Teacher German, okay, is discussing is way, okay. I'm telling you, not average Indonesian student have the same kind of material, learning material. It is way above. You know why? We teach you more quality because we want you to come here. Okay? You see this guy, all right? To come over here. Okay? How can you come over here? Work hard and study hard. Okay? Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Teacher Jermaine. I pass it back to you, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Bye, everybody.
Bye, Dr.
Bye.
Hari.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Have a good day.
Yes.
Okay, so everyone, that is Dr. Hari, the founder of the president of TIS. So we are also very happy to have him with us here in TIS. Okay, and just like what I keep on saying, TIS together with all of us, your teachers, we are going to help all of you in order for you to learn English. Not only English, but other subjects as well. Okay? Okay. Can I go now? Can I go now again to Mark? Mark, hello. Mark, are you still here with us? Okay, there you go. Mark,
Yes.
Mark, you were absent for maybe for 2 sessions already. What happened? Were you busy in school for some things?
Wait. The internet connection here is so bad. I can't
Ah,
see the video like
okay.
normal.
Oh, okay. So you don't have a good connection. That's why you're absent. Okay, gladly you are already here. So that's
Maybe I
already
have to
good.
turn off the video. Sorry.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's okay. I understand that one, Mark. Same with my situation before. How about number 14 for you?
Hey, I think these keys are blank. I left them on the table.
Yes.
Mine? Hello? It's
Yes,
lagging.
Mark. Yes, Mark.
The
So I
answer is
think
mine.
okay. Can you explain why are we going to use mine for that sentence?
Because it says, I think these keys are, and then the next one is, I left them on the table.
Okay, because it's make use of the pronoun I, right?
It is
Okay.
him.
Yes. Thank you, Mark.
You're welcome.
Number 15 now. Catherine, can you do number 15?
Yes, teacher. Thomas can find his classroom, but Susan and Mary can find theirs.
Yes. Who are we referring? Who are we referring with the possessive pronoun theirs? It refers
Susan
to?
and Mary.
Okay, good. Susan and Mary. Very, very good. Thank you, Catherine.
You're welcome, teacher.
How about a reading activity now? Jennifer, please read numbers 9 to 12. 9
Okay,
to 12,
teacher.
Jennifer.
Okay, teacher. That's ours. That's ours. We bought it last night at the department store. The bicycles were theirs, so they rode them home after school. A. Are you sure this book belongs to your mother? B. Yes, it's hers. This is yours. You order the pizza. I order the spaghetti.
Okay, good. Okay. This time, Nayaka, please continue 13 to 15, please. Nayaka, 13 to 15.
Okay. 30 to 15. Okay. A. Is this Robert's? B. No, it's not his. I think this case are mine. I left them on the table. Thomas can find his classroom, but Susan and Mary can't find theirs.
Very good. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Nayaka, and thank you also to Jennifer. So
Yeah.
I'll have to stop my screen. Okay, so this time I have now 28 of you. Let me check. Are the NTT kids here? They're not here. Ah, okay, we have Etris. How about others? Maybe their connection is also not that good. Okay. Can you see the blue book now, kids?
Yes, teacher.
Yeah.
You have, can you see rule number 7?
Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Okay,
Yes,
very
teacher.
good. Okay, can I have Catherine to read rule number 7?
Hey, teacher. Rule 7. Reflexive pronouns myself, himself, herself, itself, themselves, ourselves, yourself, yourselves. So be used only when they refer back to another word in the sentence.
Okay, so you have there the different reflexive pronouns. So it's another type of pronouns, kids. So you have there myself. Who do you think are we referring if you say myself?
Me.
Okay, it's you. It's me, yourself. How about himself? Who do you think are we referring if you say himself? If we talk to a certain boy, only one boy, right? Because you have there himself. Herself, that's for a girl. Itself. Okay, themselves. Okay, itself, it can be used for animals. Okay, themselves. A group of people, that's already plural. Okay? Ourselves, including you in that group. Then you have yourself and yourselves. Okay. So for you to understand it better, let's have this one. Okay. This is still the possessive. Oh, okay, so this is not right. I need to close that one. Let me check first. Okay, so we will be having this activity. Okay, so what is this activity? It's a matching activity. Or you are going to connect these pronouns here in the first box. What do you call the subject pronouns? Then connect it here to the different possessive and reflexive pronouns. Grade 2, not grade 2. Kids, you read it as reflexive, okay? Reflexive pronouns. Okay, are you ready now? For example, we have, so we have I. It should be paired with myself, right? If you say I, if you talk about I, paired it with myself. Okay, can I have Glory? Glory?
Yes, miss.
Okay, can I have you for the next pronoun? How about you?
Yourself.
Okay, put it here. Next, Glory.
Himself.
Okay, for he, for himself. Last, Glory. How about we?
Ourselves.
Come again. Ourselves.
Ourself.
Okay, can you say it again, Glory? Ourselves.
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 Yes, thank you, Glory.
You're welcome.
Okay, next. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next 4 pronouns. Mutiara.
That's me.
Hello. Okay, how about the next one? We have she. She. What is its possessive? I mean reflexive. Itself,
Itself.
themselves. Come again. She is for. Okay. Jennifer, can I have you? I'll go back to you, Mutiara, later on. Jennifer, how about she, Jennifer?
Herself.
Okay, you have herself. How about next, Jennifer? They.
Themselves.
Very good. Next, how about it?
I want. Itself.
Okay, at the top itself. Last, you have you plural. It is
Yourselves. Yourself.
yourselves. Come again.
Yourself.
Yourselves. Come
Yourself.
again. Yes, you have yourselves. Thank you, Jennifer.
You're welcome, teacher.
This time, I'll be calling. Can I have now Bethany? Bethany, hello.
Yes, teacher.
How are you?
I'm good, teacher.
You feel good? Okay, that's glad to hear that one. What's the pair for I? What's the reflexive pronoun for I? Bethany, I.
Myself.
How about, okay, how about you? What's the reflexive of you?
Yourself.
How about he?
He. Himself.
We?
We ourselves.
Okay, meaning that is plural, including you in that group. How about she, Bethany? She.
She, herself,
How about they?
themselves,
Okay, it.
itself,
How about the last one? You, which is plural?
you, it's
You.
ourselves,
Ourselves? We, that's ourselves. How about
ourselves,
you? That's What's you? You have? Come again? You say yourselves.
your,
Yours. Okay, you have yourselves. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Bethany. I hope other kids, if you don't want to write it down, take a photo, take a picture, or if you don't want, I hope you can memorize or you can really study it so that by next time, if I'm going to ask you, you can answer, okay? How about entity kids now? I'll be erasing everything so that it will be clean. Entity kids, Etris, Kaya.
Hello, teacher.
Hello, girls. Can I ask you, girls, what's the reflexive for you? What's you?
Okay, teacher. Yes, teacher.
Yes. What's the pair
I,
for
my, you, yourself. You, yourself.
you? Yes, it's yourself. How about he? How about he?
Her, himself.
Very good, girls. How about we?
Ourselves.
Ourselves. Ourselves. Come again.
Ourselves.
Good. Next.
Ourselves.
How about she? She.
Herself. Herself.
Yes, you have there herself. How about next one? We have they.
Themselves.
Very good. How about the next one? It. It.
Itself.
Okay, we have itself. And lastly, you, which is plural.
Yourself and
Yourself
yourself.
Yes, you have yourselves. Okay, I would like to give you claps. Thank you, girls.
You're welcome, teacher.
Okay, so we don't have to answer this one again because it's just similar to the first activity. Let's move now to using reflexive pronouns in sentences. Okay, can you still see my screen?
Yes,
teacher.
So it's another activity now. So you're not going to circle, but just tell me the pronoun, then identify which one is being referred to. For example, we have this sentence. Kids, look at my screen. Leonard hurt himself while skating. Leonard hurt himself while skating. The reflexive pronoun is himself, referring to whom? Referring to Leonard. Leonard is a male. He's only one. Okay. The doer of the action, hurting himself. So himself, Leonard is a boy. Okay. So how about, let's try now. Sentence number 1. I'll do it first, okay? Teacher will do it first. You listen. Jaime folded that big pile of laundry by himself. Jaime folded that big pile of laundry all by himself. So the reflexive pronoun is himself, referring to Jaime, because Jaime is a boy and it's only one, so that's why we use himself. How about number 2? Okay, Grease. Okay, I think it's not Grease. Kenshi, you're here, Kenshi.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Kenshi.
The man folded the big pile of laundry all by himself.
Okay.
Excuse me, miss. Can I go to the toilet?
Okay, yes. Go to the toilet. Okay. Okay, you can go to the toilet. Okay.
Miss,
Yes, hello.
miss, can I go to toilet?
Yes, you can. Okay, let's move now to sentence number 2. Have I called somebody to answer? Have I called somebody to answer for sentence number 2? Quickly shoot me. Okay, let's try. Okay, for sentence 2, let's try Honey now.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, yes, Honey, number 2. How are you, by the way, Honey? How are you?
I'm great. How about you?
Teacher feels good too. I haven't seen you for a while. What happened? You were not around last Monday. Were you present?
Last Monday? I think yes, but I forget.
Okay, maybe I wasn't able to call you last Monday. Okay. Okay, number. Okay, Honey, number 2, please read.
Make sure you buy something for yourself at the store. Um, you and yourself.
Okay, so reflexive here is yourself, referring to.
You.
Okay, very good, Honey. Referring to you. Okay, thank you, Honey.
Welcome, teacher.
Very good. Priscilla, number 3, Priscilla. Priscilla. Queenie,
Thank you,
Queenie.
miss. Yes, teacher.
3.
The students were lining themselves in alphabetical order.
Yes.
The students and themselves.
Okay, so we have here themselves, right? It's the
And
reflexive pronoun.
the
Yes, Queenie. Then it refers to the students, right, Queenie?
Yes.
Okay, how about number 4? I also want you to answer number 4, Queenie.
Okay. As for me, I prefer reading by myself. Me
Okay.
and myself.
Yeah, so you have myself as the reflexive pronoun here, referring to,
Me.
okay, referring to me. Very good. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Queenie. Good job.
You're
Okay, number
welcome.
5 now. Yes, number 5. I'll be calling another kid now. Letitia, are you ready, Letitia?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, number 5, please.
The dog was driving itself crazy by chasing its tail.
Yes. What is our reflexive pronoun for number 5? Letitia. We
Itself,
have, very good. We have itself and referring to what?
dog.
Very good, Letitia. It refers back to the dog. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome,
How
teacher.
about, okay, Erin, are you ready, Erin, for number 6?
Yes, miss.
Okay, number 6.
Can you reach that by can you reach that yourself?
Yes,
The answer is yourself.
yes. Referring to,
You.
okay, it refers back to you. Very good. Erin, I want you to continue to number 7, Erin.
Okay, miss. Dad woke himself when he snored. The answer is himself, referring to he.
Okay, referring to, okay, you're right, it's he, but who are we referring to himself? Referring
Dad.
to, okay,
Dad.
referring back to dad. Very good, Erin. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, miss.
Okay, how about we have now sentence number 8. Okay. So we have now sentence number 8. Okay, who would like to answer? I would like to talk to Katrina this time. Okay, because I haven't heard Katrina's voice. Can I have Katrina?
Yes, miss.
Are you ready for number 8?
Yes, miss.
Okay, go now, please.
I cut myself with the scissors.
Yes. What's the reflexive pronoun?
Myself.
Okay, referring to?
I.
Referring to I. That's good. Thank you, Katrina.
You're welcome, miss.
How about Clara for sentence number 9? Okay, last 2 sentences now. Clara, are you ready, Clara? Okay. If not, Clara, can I go back now? Can I go back to Bethany?
Yes, teacher.
Bethany. Okay, number 9, please.
Number 9. The girls want to practice by themselves.
Come again, please. Can you please read it again, Bethany?
The
Number 9.
girl won practice by themselves.
Okay. So now, what's the reflexive pronoun?
Themselves.
Okay, that's right. Referring to the, remember, that is a plural pronoun. And it refers back to what? It refers back to, what do you think? It refers back to the girls. Okay, so when you say the girls, that's plural. Because what's the singular form of girls? You say girl. So the girls, that's plural, so that's why it's themselves. Okay. Thank you, Bethany. Jonathan, number 10, please.
Your skates won't tie themselves.
Okay, your skates won't tie themselves. Reflexive pronoun first.
Themselves.
Good. And it refers to?
Your skates.
Okay, your skates. So there you go. That is our second activity on reflexive pronouns. Okay, quite easy, right? So how about we have this one now? Okay, we're done with that. Okay. We still have time, so I guess we need to answer this. Okay, so this time you are going now to choose the correct reflexive pronoun to make the sentences correct. Okay? You're going to choose the correct reflexive pronoun. Are you ready? Okay, can I start with Jocelyn first for this first one?
Okay, wait. Susie made sandwich herself.
Oh, sorry. For a while. Do you
Okay.
have my
So
screen again? Okay.
okay. Susie made a sandwich herself or himself or themselves. So I'm gonna choose herself because Susie is a girl.
Yes, exactly. Susie is a girl, so we use herself. Okay, thank you, Joy.
No
Next
problem.
one. Enda, would you like to answer the next one, Enda?
Yes, teacher. I choose this for the my answer is myself because it's referring to I.
Very good. That's easy. Thank you. Catherine now, the third one.
Teacher, the students wrote the school play. Themselves are ourselves are itself. The answer is themselves.
Yes. Referring to what, Catherine, if you say
Students.
themselves?
Students.
Okay, referring to the students. Good. Next, the fourth one. Orlando, are you ready, Orlando?
Yes, miss.
Okay, number 4 now.
Did you pay these sunglasses?
Again, read again. Did you
Did
pay
you
for?
pay for these sunglasses?
What's your answer?
Yourself.
Is it our reserves? Yes, we
Yourself.
use yourself. Can you please say why?
Because there is
Yes.
you.
Okay.
If
We are going to use you because of the pronoun here, which is you. Very good, Orlando. Okay, next. Next one. How about
Me.
Daraka?
Yeah.
Okay, Daraka, go now.
My friends and I designed our new school uniform ourselves
Yes, ourselves. Why ourselves?
because it's not just me or just my friends, but it's me and my friends.
Yes, because if you use a subject pronoun for that, that refers to we, including yourself. So you say ourselves. Very good, Daraka. Okay, next. Chelene, would you like to read and answer, Chelene? Hello.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Let's read it slowly, Chelene. Dad decorated the cake. Okay. Teacher will read it for you, Chelene. Dad decorated the cake. Dad decorated the cake. What should be our answer, Chelene? Is it itself, myself, or himself? Okay, Chelene, the answer is, you say himself. Okay, yes, the correct answer is himself. Okay, Chelene, thank you for reading, Chelene. So, our answer is himself, referring to dad. Okay, next. Next sentence. Grease. I haven't called you,
Yes,
Grease.
Miss.
Okay, next sentence. Graciela. Here, Graciela.
Godzilla make this oil painting.
Graciela is a girl. Himself, myself, or herself?
Himself.
Come again.
Himself.
Herself. Come again. Come
Herself.
again.
Herself.
Okay, Graciela made this oil painting herself. Okay, next. Next two sentences. Thank you, Grace. Let's make it fast.
You're welcome, Miss.
Tristan, please.
Yes, Miss.
Tristan, yes. The sentence.
Okay. It was too windy at the door moved. The door moved herself, itself, myself. The answer is itself.
Referring to the?
Door.
Referring to the door. Good. Thank you. Joy, please do the last one, Joy.
Okay, wait. We all have done a lot of work in the classroom. We decorated the classroom ourselves, themselves, or yourself. So I'll answer ourselves.
Okay, referring to?
We.
Okay, referring back to we. Okay, so you use ourselves. Okay, very good. So I think with that activity, you already know what reflexive pronoun are we going to use. Okay, so I have to stop sharing my screen now. Okay, so please do not forget about our discussion on reflexive pronouns. So there are paired of subject and reflexive pronouns, so do with other types of pronouns. So we are done with subject, object, pronouns, possessive, then we have reflexive now. So please expect for a test. Maybe teacher will be giving you your end of month test next week. Okay, I hope everybody will be ready for that one. Maybe it will be on Monday or probably on Wednesday next week. Okay, thank you everybody for being with me. NTT Kids, thank you also. I'll see all of you next meeting. Thank you and
Okay,
have a good
Miss.
day.
Okay,
Bye.
bye.
Thank you, Miss. Thank you.
Bye.
Miss, thank
Thank
you.
you.
Bye.
Bye.
Welcome.
NTT Kids, girls, thank you. See you. See
See
you.
you, Miss.
Bye-bye.
Hello.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Jonathan.
teacher.
Bye, Celine.
Bye, Miss.